By the looks of this, I'm not sure if we can save this mother plant, but what I'm gonna do if plant is like this, I'm gonna remove all the healthy pups and graft them separately on a separate rootstock. But I'm still gonna try to graft this mother plant. Let's see. As we can see, it's not rotten, but it's totally dehydrated. So let's do it. I'm using rubber cups. Let's remove all the healthy pups and try to graft them. This part is so squishy, but this part is still tender, so I'll cut this off and graft this part only. This one I will throw away. After sterilizing this with alcohol, you can start the cut. You need to sterilize to avoid fungal infections and other diseases that can stick here and transfer to the cut. Cuts are very sensitive because disease might come inside the cut. There we go. I'm just gonna chamfer this a little. Why chamfer? Because when the scion grows big, this part here might push the scion away. So chamfering helps. I'm sorry about the background. Somebody's fixing a motorcycle here. So it's so noisy. There you go. Just put this on top. Just make sure this ring of vascular this is a vascular ring touches the vascular ring of the scion. It should be aligned. And just twist it and turn it until they stick and no air can penetrate inside. That's it. That's your graft. And we're gonna use a scotch tape for now to hold them up. Press them down like that. So this will be the mother plant. This one we're gonna throw away. All of the healthy ones here, the pups, we'll just graft it. That's what will I do. So hopefully you learned something today, guys.